Hi. So this is Truth. What you got in your mouth? Give me that. Give me that. You want to go get it? Go get it. This is Faith, the mother. Hi, baby. Okay, get down. And this is Truth, the father, that's playing around. Okay, honey. Okay, I'm trying to follow him. Okay, come here, Truth. Come here, honey. This is Truth. As you can see, he's got great hips. Really good hips. And Faith has good hips. She's the mother. And she's had, 11 babies. Okay, sweetheart. That's Faith. Okay. And Truth, the father. Come here, honey. He's very big. And all the pups are really big. We have 4 available. Okay. I'm going to try to get a really good shot of him. This is him. They have a very long bodice. Their bodies are long. Such a good dog. Very easy to train. Very intelligent. Hey, baby. Hi, honey. What are you doing? Okay. Hey, don't do that. Okay, say bye-bye.